Take a little sand, lots of recycled glass, a pinch of limestone, and some soda ash. Mix all the ingredients together, heat the mix to 1500 degrees Celsius, and what you get is glass. Verallia produces molten glass to make bottles and jars in a huge variety of shapes and sizes for the food and beverage industry. We use as much recycled glass as possible. Obtained through glass recovery and recycling programs, this crushed, recycled glass, known as cullet, allows us to reduce the amount of raw materials we use and the energy required to melt the glass. Glass furnaces operate continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To melt the mix of raw materials, the furnace must be heated to 1500 degrees Celsius. The molten glass is then fed into narrow canals, known as feeders. It falls through an opening at the bottom of the feeder where it's sheared to form individual uniform measures of glass, called gobs. Each gob is delivered to a blank mold in the IS machine or forming machine. There are two main types of forming processes. In the blow-and-blow process, compressed air blows a cavity into the molten gob to create a hollow and partially formed container. The molten glass is then transferred to the blow mold where compressed air is again used to blow the bottle into its final shape. In the press and blow process, a metal plunger is used to press the cavity into the gob in the blank mold, with compressed air completing the process in the blow mold. To promote the natural strength of the glass containers, they then undergo reheating and gradual cooling in an annealing layer, which is a long flat oven. Annealing takes between 30 minutes and 2 hours, depending on the type of container. The containers are given two surface treatments during their journey through the layer, one at the hot end, which helps maintain their strength, and one at the cold end, which helps prevent scratching. At the end of their useful life, Verallia jars and bottles are reintroduced as cullet. Each recycled bottle produces enough crushed glass to manufacture another new bottle in an endless recycling process in which nothing is lost in terms of quality or quantity. Glass containers are the only packaging material that is 100% infinitely recyclable. To meet consumer demand for increasingly innovative, distinctive packaging, Verallia offers food and beverage customers interactive 3D CAD design services, allowing them to create unique, practical, and appealing designs.